Welcome to this meditation practice. Today we will focus on releasing the fear of not being enough. This fear can weigh us down, causing self-doubt, anxiety, and hesitation. But you are more than your doubts, and you are enough just as you are. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Breathe in deeply once again, filling your lungs with calm. Hold and exhale, letting go of any self-judgment. Now I want you to slowly breathe for 5 minutes. So slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Just focus on the sound of your breath. Then we will move on. Begin. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Just focus on the sound of your breath. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding you. This light is gentle yet powerful, a reminder of your inner strength and worth. Now, think about the moments when you felt like you weren't enough. It's okay to acknowledge these feelings. Let them rise without judgment. Maybe it's a time you doubted your abilities, questioned your worth, or felt like you had to prove yourself. Let those moments come and go like clouds passing in the sky. Now ask yourself, whose voice told me I wasn't enough? Was it your own inner critic? Someone from your past? Remember, those voices are not your truth. They are echoes of insecurity, not a reflection of who you are. Here's some information for my analytical minds. Keep breathing slowly while actively listening. Science shows that these feelings often come from early experiences where our brains formed patterns to protect us. The amygdala, the brain's fear center, holds on to these emotional memories as a survival instinct. But just as the brain can hold on to negative patterns, it can also rewire itself. By focusing on positive affirmations, self-compassion, and consistent reinforcement, you can create new neural pathways that build confidence and self-worth. Now visualize yourself standing tall, grounded, and confident. See that golden light within you growing stronger, warm, radiant, and steady. This light is your truth. You are worthy, you are whole, you are enough. Now repeat these affirmations silently or out loud with me. I will repeat them twice. I am enough, just as I am. I am enough, just as I am. I release the need to prove my worth. I release the need to prove my worth. I trust myself and my path. I trust myself and my path. I am strong, capable, and deserving of love. I am strong, capable, and deserving of love. I embrace my imperfections with love and compassion. I embrace my imperfections with love and compassion. I am worthy of success, happiness, and peace. I am worthy of success, happiness, and peace. I honor my uniqueness and the gifts I bring. I honor my uniqueness and the gifts I bring. I let go of fear and step into my power. I let go of fear and step into my power. I am deserving of all the good things that come my way. I am deserving of all the good things that come my way. I believe in my abilities and trust in my potential. I believe in my abilities and trust in my potential. Feel these words take root inside you, growing stronger with each breath. Allow them to fill the spaces where self-doubt once lingered. Now, imagine yourself moving through your day with this newfound confidence. Picture yourself speaking with clarity, acting with purpose, and standing firm in your decisions. See yourself thriving, not because you've earned it, but because you've always been enough. Take 2 minutes of slow breathing. Think of things you can change daily. That can prove to yourself you are enough. At worst, that you aren't putting yourself down. Begin. Take one more deep breath in, feeling this sense of strength and calm within you. And exhale, releasing any last traces of doubt. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Move your legs, your arms, nod your head, and when you feel grounded, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you. You are enough, always have been, always will be.